Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery life is above 50% and backing up any data you need. Once done, power the phone off completely. This prevents interruptions. Now press the Realme recovery key combo, typically power plus volume down, or the model-specific buttons. Hold until the logo appears. You enter recovery mode. Make sure you select the correct language if prompted so menus are readable. This first step prevents bricked devices and prepares you to safely perform system actions. You'll now focus on cleaning and repairing system data to resolve boot or stability issues. First, try Wipe Cache Partition to remove temporary files without erasing apps. This often fixes sluggish behavior. If problems persist and you already backed up, use Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This restores system defaults and clears corrupted settings. Alternatively, choose Apply Update from ADB or external SD card to install official firmware. This replaces damaged files while preserving. You finish by selecting Reboot System now so the changes take effect. This usually resolves startup faults. If the device still loops or shows errors, reflash the correct Realme firmware through Recovery or use a tool like SB Flash Tool for MediaTek devices. This replaces the whole software image. Make sure to match the exact model and firmware version. Mismatches can brick your phone. If flashing fails, write down the error and check model-specific ROM forums or support for targeted files and instructions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.